from Perry and Marie Curie University, Paris, France, in 1980. He joined the Department of Chemistry, University of Ilorin as lecturer 1 in 1994, and rose through the ranks to become Professor of Chemistry in 2011. Professor Adekola has won several academic awards, including Best Graduating Student in the Department of Chemistry of Academia University. Government of France Doctoral Scholarship 1987 to 1983, as well as Senior Researchers Fellowship for International Scholar 2005 to 2006 in the area of analytical, environmental, and industrial chemistry. 10 of his former student graduates are now professors. He has published over 180 research papers in peer-reviewed international and national journals. He has served as excellent supervisor, excellent assessor, and excellent examiner for several universities in Nigeria and abroad. He has served the University of Ilorin in several capacities, including sub-dean of postgraduate studies, head of department of chemistry, director of general studies institute, and dean of the campus of physical sciences at various times. His area of research includes analytical and environmental
technology
chemistry, water and wastewater management, environmental pollution studies, polymer chemistry, and absorption studies. Development of natural and synthetic materials.